Let's double check the TIA, just the local zones on 4 time frame, 12 time frame, and the daily one. Global targets, I guess, for recover back I showed you. My conclusion, since the top of Celestia at $20, I think the Celestia one day will drop, maybe in the next bear market, around the private rounds entry. So it's 1 cent. Of course, maybe it's not necessary, so the token will drop that low. But what I realized, the venture funds who invested on some seed rounds or private rounds, after the years, they dump the price to their entry. And after that, or they reinvest again in the project to make more money again, right? Or just forget about the token and move on to another project, startup. But we will see after the fact. So now it's 50 cents. If you feel comfortable, accumulate Celestia at these prices, you can do this even now. Because of course, the historical low, 23 cents on the Binance, is it possible to drop under 23? Of course it's possible, guys. Even, I repeat again, even to 1 cent, because it's a private round entries of the big guys, so they still in the crazy profit still. So locally, we got it this week. I highly recommend you go and check the main idea what I shared on trading you about the global targets for Celestia. Technically, if we will see the money inflow, I don't want to talk about an altcoin season, but just if we will see the money inflow into alts, even the Celestia, like speculation, can recover back to $10, for example, and it's going to be the end of cycle, for example, for this token, like $10, $12. It's the top of the top, by my personal opinion. For Celestia, I don't think so. We will ever reach the new all-time high again. But of course, it's just my personal opinion, guys. You can have your own. Locally on 12 time frame here, we got a week on the daily. This is a week. What we formatted on October 10. After that, we form 123, 0.5. We hold the line at 61. The next step is 38 and 33 cents. So this is it. If you want to accumulate now and you believe we will not drop under 23 cents, you can buy one limit order, second limit order. So your average entry will be like 45, for example. And after that, 90 cents, zero level, 92 cents and 7, you withdraw initial deposit and ride with the free tokens. After that, you don't care about, even if we drop to zero, you lose nothing. And if we go to the moon, you make money from the air with the free tokens. This strategy is never a mistake to withdraw initial deposit. So just in case, guys, for the future, because the people are so greedy and all the time people want to buy here and ride to the moon. I'm also made a lot of mistakes, for example, like with the Starknet, I'm in losses, because in many tokens I'm in losses, right? But some tokens I'm wait to out of the break even. And yes, now I realize, so it's better withdraw initial deposit after 100%, and forget about the risk. So locally, here's most likely what we will see. It's a drop to this block because of Japan banks probably will make a decision about the rates in the next 2 days, right? And they increase the rates. And usually it's the fact that for BTC, it's like a fact the price 10 or 20% drop, right, for BTC, and of course altcoins will follow. I hope, of course, that Japan bank's decision already priced it in BTC, so we already drop it and it's priced it in, because now the sentiment in the market, so everybody, literally everybody around the flip-flop from 150K for BTC, now everybody flip-flop like a genius to the 70K. So it's kind of weird, people just flip-flop every single day. So today I'm bullish, tomorrow I'm bearish, and extra bearish, extra bullish. You just stick to your plan and don't pretend to be always right. Just stick to your plan, and after the fact, just tell the people you was wrong or you was right. So I don't know what's the problem to be wrong on this industry. So I don't know. So this is a local zones for Celestia. And the positive case, guys, maybe it's already bottom 1, 2, and this is a bottom. We can go higher to equilibrium. of this range. So it's around 38 level, 66, retest 0.5 and out of this channel. But we also can see something like this one, not like this one. We can see something like this one to this block. It's a test again, the third time of channel, and not only after that, recover move higher. That's why, guys, no rush, because from now it can be a potential 20% drop again, 25% drop. So if you feel comfortable on the spot, you can buy even now, accumulate step by step. Can we go down in this channel to zero? Yes. So just a rhetoric question, guys. Is it possible so this channel is going to be wider? Yes, of course, maybe this touch. So the problem with the channel is we can zoom out all the time. We can zoom out and redraw the channel on different time frames. So that's a problem. If we use the local one, maybe this is a support, you know, so we not count this week. Support, rejection, support again, and we will see another support. If we count all noise and find the line chart, you know, that's a point why we not count that week. Maybe makes sense to use the channel even like this one. In this case, we already tested 2 times, but still possible like December 27, so 33 cents. Maybe at 33 cents, maybe I will touch the Celestia for the futures, but it's hard to say where to add a stop loss. All right. Let's double check with indicator set, guys. Here, this is accumulation. What I would like to see, the divergence, deeper divergence, another drop. Honestly, I hope we will recover back with the V shape now, definitely, because this will be so positive for any token. But unfortunately, we can see the divergence. So this is a low like 60 cents. We already formed at 48, and it can be the third wave drop, and I don't know, to 38 or 33. This is it. Some accumulation on direction, but it's not enough for a main recovery move. So unfortunately now the price movement will be based on Japan banks. So it's kind of weird how the decentralized financial sector depends of main financial system of the world. So it's kind of weird. So this is a market mood. Capitulation, technically it's a good one. This is a capitulation on the weekly, but still a free on a monthly. That's why I hope the last drop will be 38 to 33 and will not drop to 23 and even lower. And now we'll start see some capitulation zone on the monthly. 12 time frame, of course, it's capitulation. So it's bullish. Let's double check the money power. No money inflow, guys, yet. So this was a money inflow rebound. Now nothing. Daily, no money inflow. Somebody accumulated here, but guys, it's not necessary. So if you see the accumulation on the Binance, for example, of the big guys, so money power showed you the big orders, you know, from the whales, you know, but it doesn't mean if they buy in here, they can't be in losses. So it's more than real to be in losses. So 4 time frame, some accumulation, but the main key point is a weekly time frame here. Some accumulation was here and we rebounded. Now nothing. No money inflow. I will share this idea on TradingView, so we'll come back and double check it. Take a look. This is a daily buy, bounce, buy. Bounce by bounce. It looks like not a big deal, guys, but take a look on 12 time frame. Of course, you not open the trade on a daily candle. No, here 50% on 12 time frame candle. You can of course open trade on the 4 time frame, and of course you can't trade just with one single indicator trade on. You have to work in a complex. But it was a good entry, for example, in average. Like this is an entry. Stop loss can be, I don't know, like 10%, 20% with a second leverage, like against 100. So 100% profit and 20% stop loss. Not a good ratio, but 1 to 5. Why not? Some local bounces on 4 time frame. Now nothing. That's why, guys, I wish to see another signal to buy at this point. The weekly. No signals. Only buyback was here We rebounded from 23 to $1.05. Now, nothing. And the last indicator is take profit, guys. Here, we trade around the fundamental value on the daily. So technically, no makes sense to drop lower, but it's possible. Why? Because fundamental value on the 12 time frame is around here, 35 cents. Daily or 12 time frame buy line, 47 cents. 4 time frame buy line, it's 39.1. And fundamental value is 29.4. So everything now depends on the Japan, guys. And of course, take a look. Take profit line is 94. So if you want to buy now, don't be so greedy and withdraw initial deposit here. Guys, write please in a comment what do you think about local targets for Celestia. If you would like to trade at my custom, because I will show it in this video, write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.